Hello guys, in this video let's try to understand what is Azure VNet and why we have Azure VNet, that is why we use Azure VNet. So guys, let's assume you create a VM in Azure portal, and obviously this VM it will have RAM, that is memory, then it will have storage and it will have CPU, right? And of course this VM behind the scene it will be created on some physical server, right? So let's imagine this is a physical server, and let's imagine our VM it got created over here. So this is our VM, right? And this is the physical server. And this physical server it will be part of some physical network. Let's say, so this is the physical network. So great, everything is working fine and we can connect to this VM as well and everything is going good. Now let's say some other user or some other organization created another VM. So let's say this is another VM. And let's say this VM also got created on the same physical server, that is the box highlighted in red. Okay, so again that other user or that other organization they can also connect and use their VM. But let's say they did not follow the best security practices and somehow their VM got hacked. So the hacker he has access to this VM and now he has the access to this physical network as well. So ultimately, because he has an access to this physical network, that hacker he got access to our VM as well, and that's the problem, right? And now as you can imagine, that's why we have virtual network, that is VNet. So what we will do is we will simply create our own VNet. So let's say this is our own VNet and we will host our VM in this VNet. So what it means is, even though the hacker he got access to this other VM, still he cannot access our VM because our VM is now residing or it's been hosted in a virtual network, that is VNet. So that's it guys, basically this is the reason we use Azure VNet, and I really wanted to keep this explanation simple. So that's it, thanks for listening.